Transform your static Webflow site into an engaging, animated experience with the magic of Gsap Scrolltrigger. Let's dive in. First, we need to set up our Webflow project. Open up your Webflow designer and create a new project, or open an existing one where you want to implement these scroll-based animations. Next, we'll integrate the Gsap library in your Webflow project settings. Go to the Custom Code tab. We need to add the Gsap core library and the Scrolltrigger plugin. You'll find these script links in the Webflow documentation or directly from the Gsap website. Paste both the Gsap core script and the Scrolltrigger plugin script into the /head tag section within your project's custom code. Make sure to save your changes. Now, let's create an element that we want to animate for this example. Let's add a simple div block to our page. Give it a class name in Webflow so we can easily target it later. To demonstrate a scroll-based effect, let's add another element, perhaps a larger section or another div, to create some scrollable height on our page. This ensures there's actually something to scroll past. Finally, we'll add our Scrolltrigger code. Go to your page settings for the page you're working on and scroll down to the /body. Tag. This is where we'll write the JavaScript to control our animations. Here, we'll write a small script that tells Gsap to watch for our target element. We'll define when the animation should start and end relative to the user's scroll position. This could be when something enters the viewport, or when it reaches a certain point on the screen. We'll then specify the actual animation we want to happen. This might be a fading effect, a slide up, a rotation, or even a combination of multiple properties changing. As the user scrolls, you can tweak the duration, the trigger point, and the animation itself to perfection. Once saved and published, your element will now come to life as your visitors scroll down the page, creating a much more dynamic and engaging user experience. Start experimenting with different elements and animations to make your Webflow site truly unforgettable.